Hi, Mike Violette with EspressoEngineering.tv at the 2015 IEEE EMC Symposium in Santa Clara. I'm here with Don Shepard. Shep, what's new at AR?
What's new? You know, in a word, everything.
Everything.
Well, you might know that I've been at AR 45 years, and there's never been a time that we've had so many new products and improved products.
Never a dull moment in Suderton, huh?
No, I guess business has been a little weak, so we had a lot of time to do engineering.
Oh, okay. All right. That's when you sharpen your tools, I
We've
guess,
redesigned our W series, which is up to a gigahertz. The A series, we've delivered now a 50 kilowatt amplifier, and we're working on a 30 kilowatt right now. We have built a whole facility to work on amplifiers up to 100,000 watts.
I hear you had to get a new feed in from the power company just to turn the thing on.
We got this order for 50 kilowatt. I didn't have enough primary power to turn it on. Yeah. And we had bid it thinking we'd get a truck with a generator on it, but yeah. I thought that wasn't the way to do it. We've built a new facility for testing, and I brought in 2 megawatts of AC power. Cost $500,000 just to do that.
Jeez. Well, the power company loves
you, I guess.
We've
made the commitment. There's going to be amplifiers now really can be used for HERF testing. There hasn't been enough power. We have delivered a 50 kilowatt amplifier that is broadband, linear, solid state, load tolerant, fast rise time, broadband. The world has never seen such a product.
So you can do high power, high pulse.
Yeah. Well, pulse you can do too, but this is CW machine.
CW machine.
And we have plans and preliminary designs for 100 kilowatts. So, come on, guys.
Good Lord. I saw that amplifier. It's about 25 feet long, if I recall.
Well, you can put 2 rows.
Yeah. If 100 kilowatts not enough, you can get 2 100s.
They're water cooled, and we have a chiller for it. And remember, it's a Class A linear amplifier, essentially. So it takes a lot of power to run it. And coolant. These are water cooled. The heat is outside in a chiller. But also, we're ahead in so many ways. We've redesigned our W series. We've redesigned the S series, which is generally over gigahertz. We've redesigned our microelectronics products so that we can make TWT equivalents. And we're soon to announce, I think we may have the 200 watt here, but we can do from 0.7 gigahertz to 18 in 2 solid state bands.
2 stages.
And
amazing.
We're just about to have 200 watts in both bands. The high one isn't quite there yet, but I think in about 3 months it'll be done. So we have new microwave products, and the replacement of the TWT is more than just reliability. These products will have load tolerance, 20 dB distortion, be repairable. You don't have to buy a new TWT. You can change a transistor. What a concept. And they're low noise, and it'll take 2 bands instead of 3 to cover up to 18.
Any plans to go above 18?
Yeah. Well, of course, we still sell TWTs that go above 18.
Yeah.
But we will soon be starting on the next band, which I think it's 18 to 26 or something like that. I'm not exactly sure. We're just in the early stages of that. But we have a microelectronics facility that can make those. Most of the other techniques will not cover that bandwidth. We actually can lay the chips down on a substrate, and we have automatic bonding machines now.
And because you're doing all that design in-house, you can control the quality and the consistency and the yield.
I quadrupled the space for that, but we've just moved into it within the last couple of weeks.
Fantastic.
But on top of that, our software is becoming the most popular software, and it's being used by more and more people. So now we have a company that has the amplifiers and the software. We have field sensors, which are the most accurate in the world. We have all the pieces now to do the systems. And we're bidding the systems. More and more companies that decide to go into EMC want to buy the whole system.
So you can walk in and do a turnkey.
We can give you all the pieces that have we have all the drivers are already in our software. They're used to working together. If you have a problem, you only need one person to call.
One call. Yeah.
We can fix it all because we make it all. And our receiver is here this year and being demoed with the latest updates in the software. So we really have a comprehensive product. And in my 45 years with AR, I've never seen such explosion of products.
Yeah.
And now our agreement with MVG means we can do turnkey projects with shielding, with absorber, with the amplifiers, with the software, with the filters. Everything comes from AR.
So I only need to write one PO?
Yeah, you can. I'll tell you the name of the
Yeah,
company.
all right. Give me the address. That's fantastic. And
so we're all excited.
That is exciting. Well, congratulations, Shep. You've done a great job here at AR. I know you have a team of engineers that is focused on innovation.
Well, I think we have 2 to 3 times the number of engineers of any competitor.
Yeah.
I mean, we're an engineering-oriented company, and we're in business because we have the latest things. Mm-hmm. What's the sense of buying something old? You're trying to set up a lab, and you want to be up at the state of the art, and we have that. Yeah. That's what we do.
Well, time is of the essence in testing, so you need to have that integration.
And we have this multi-tone testing. We have several large customers using it, and it greatly speeds up the test, the EMC immunity testing. And it'll eventually get written into the specs, but right now, if you're doing susceptibility testing on a large scale, it is much faster.
Sure.
And it's not that you're trading off quality, it's just good.
You're doing it.
It's almost more real.
Mm-hmm.
Because in the real world, you usually have more than one interfering signal.
And here you're getting that in the lab now.
Well, at the lower levels, we can do 6 or 8 or 10 tones.
Yeah.
Until you get up to the higher levels where the amplifier becomes the limit.
Right.
But now we have higher power amplifiers.
Right.
I mean, if I was an auto company, you can speed the test. It takes a week to test a car.
Yeah.
You could do it in 2 or 3 days.
Yeah.
So think of the money that would save. You just have to spend it on an amplifier. Don't tell them that one.
Gets your time to market, and you can do more testing too, more comprehensive testing.
Of course.
Yeah.
You can do better testing. That's what matters.
Yeah. Well, great. It's great to catch up with you, Shep. Always a pleasure to see you at the show.
Okay.
It's Mike Violette for EspressoEngineering.tv. All right, now we just chat a little bit, and you feel okay with that?
Yeah.
Is that what you wanted to cover?
Yeah, there's plenty in there.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
It's all right.